Welcome to AD Kids TV. Hello friends, I am a letter O. I am a uppercase letter. Hi friends, I am a letter O. I am a lowercase letter. World starts with letter O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. O is for onion. O is for onion. O is for olives. O is for olives. O is for owl. O is for owl. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. O is for oyster. O is for oyster. O is for orange. O is for orange. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.